Hello and welcome to Notifier by Whatsable. If you're ready to send messages from your own brand to your customer or leads, you're in the right place. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect our number to the Notifier system so that you can send WhatsApp messages automatically. Now, one thing that's very important to know is you cannot use the phone number that you're using on your WhatsApp on your phone. So either if you have WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, if you are using WhatsApp on your phone, then it won't work here. You will need to either delete your WhatsApp account on your phone and all data will be deleted, or you can get another SIM card and use that for this. You're only going to receive one confirmation code from Facebook to verify that you own that number, and that's it. You won't need that SIM card again for a long time. All right. Now the first step we're going to do is we're going to press on here that says connect your WhatsApp number, okay? This is going to open a pop-up and you're going to press here continue with your name. Don't worry, that's here your personal information. Now you either have some business portfolio created or this will be empty and you just fill it up. Okay, in this case I already have one here. Okay, I'm going to proceed. And then if you don't have any WhatsApp number already that you've had in the past from another service provider, you just continue with here, create a new WhatsApp business profile. Now this field is the most important one. This is the WhatsApp business display name. When people get a WhatsApp message from you, that's what they will see. So I'm just gonna put this is an actor's business. This is what people will see. All right, and then you're gonna put a phone number, okay? That's the one that you're going to use for your WhatsApp. Okay, this can take a minute. We're gonna press on here, add a new number. 1 sec. I'm gonna choose phone call to receive the phone number, the confirmation code, because it tends to work out better, but you can also get an SMS.
947940. Your verification code is...
All right, once we've put the code here, we're gonna press on next. And now just wait here and then press continue, sorry. And then just wait here for a few seconds, and it's very important that we wait for this one additional step, which is adding the payment information, all right? So once we get to this, we're gonna press here on add payment method. Okay, you might need to put your authentication code again, hold on. All right, and then it's very important now that you click here where it says payment methods, okay? Then you're going to see your WhatsApp account appearing here on the right side. If you have multiple, make sure you're using the correct one by checking the ID. All right, and then even though your credit card is here, you need to manually add the card here. So you're gonna need to click here on add payment method. Okay, click on next, and then you can use the business payment method if you don't want to fill it up again. And then you press set as default, okay? If not, you would need to add your payment card details here if you don't have it already. All right, we're gonna save the information, and then we're gonna see it here. If it didn't mark it as default right away, this is important here, click on the three dots here, and you would see here the option that says set as default. It's very important that the card here is the default card. Again, if you don't see it, click here. All right, so that's how we make sure you have all of this done. Now, the next step you're gonna need to send messages successfully is click on the bottom of this page here, on this settings icon. All right, and then go to WhatsApp accounts. Under accounts, go to WhatsApp accounts, okay? And then you're gonna see that your business is not verified here, okay? And you need to click on this button that says start verification. Here's where you're gonna fill up your information, your business information, okay? This is going to redirect you here. And then you need to click here on start verification. Now you need to put up all the business information that it will ask you, okay? Very simple, but it's very important that you do it, because if you don't have the business information added, you're unlikely to be able to start send. You can receive messages, but you're not able to send messages. So it's very important that you do this. And after you've done this, you're all good to go. If this is too much work for you and you want a more simple way to do this, you can click here, and we have a simpler option where instead of sending it from your brand, you can have the messages being sent from our bot, and it would say message from, and then here it would show your business name. And it's a way simpler setup. You don't need to do anything with Facebook. The only bad part of that is it doesn't come with it's sent from our bot. All right. So that's all for how to set it up here on Facebook. If you want, you can click here and add a profile picture, and then this will show you how to add a profile picture to your number. Click here to create a template, and I'll guide you through on that video. Thank you.